Hey guys, I'm Chandler over here at our Red Bank Clinic. Next I want to show you a muscle energy technique that I like to use to correct mobility deficits for somebody with headaches coming from the neck or cervicogenic headaches. So with Ellie here, when I bend her up and then rotate her to her right, she's got a mobility restriction and she feels kind of her familiar headache symptoms over here in this temporal region. So we're going to work on that here. So I'm going to have Ellie look to her left with her eyeballs and gently press to the left against my hand and relax. So when she relaxes, I'm taking her into a little bit more rotation. So go ahead and go again for me. Relax. I'll have her do 3 to 5 sets of this. Go ahead and go again. And relax. All right, so I'll let Ellie wait for a second and I'll go back and retest that rotation here in a minute. If you guys know somebody you think would benefit from this technique, tag them in the comments below.